Welcome to the Queen's Court. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm thankful, grateful, and blessed to be alive. Today we are doing a gift box, or a box just lit up with decorations on it, okay? So I got this idea from Smoochie, Candy Pooh's auntie, over at Candy Pooh Vlog Life. I will leave the information down in my description box. Y'all can go over there. She is selling these boxes. I just wanted to do one for you all because one of my faithful family members here at the Queen's Court asked me to make a Christmas box. So here I am doing a lidded Christmas box for you, decorated box, whatever you want to call it. But I lost a lot of footage, y'all. Me trying to edit. Please forgive me. I lost a lot of footage, but if you want to see how it's done, you can go over to Candy Pooh Vlog Life. She has the video there. Okay, so please go and check Smooch out. She is awesome. She do a lot of DIYs on, and she's doing a wonderful job. I enjoy her DIYs. All right, Smooch, you need to get her channel. But she is selling these boxes, and I just wanted to shout her out. And please, if you want to make an order or anything like that, dear, you can go over to and see it all she has. And you don't necessarily have to have them for Christmas. You can do them for Valentine's Day, set the ambiance, So yeah. So go and check her out, please. I'm going to leave Candy Pooh Vlog Life information below. I'm not sure if it's on the vlog channel or if it's on the Candy Pooh 1100, but whichever one it is, please go and check Smooch out. Check out Candy Pooh as well. That's my girl. That's my baby girl. All right, love me some Candy Pooh. But anyway, yes, but here we are putting the blocks together, y'all. I lost a lot of footage with showing you the block where I built it and all like that there. These are just like pieces. You need 1, 2, 3, 4 of the long pieces, and you need 8 of the smaller pieces. Okay, so yeah, please go and check her out because like I said, I lost a lot of footage and trying to edit, okay? Trying to speed the thing up, I lost it. I don't know, but anyway, I'm so glad I'm here, so glad you're here. And this video was like 29 minutes long, and somehow it's only 8 minutes and 29 seconds. But anyway, I love you all. Are y'all getting ready for your holidays? I know it's late I have been working, y'all. I work a full-time job now, so I'm trying to get my schedule, getting used to working and coming home and trying to put out a video for you all because I love what I do here on YouTube and I want to continue. So I will probably be putting up maybe 2 to 3 videos a week, so I can do things on the weekend and get it out to you on the week. Okay, I love y'all, and thanks so much for all your love and your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for all that you do for me. And Merry Christmas to you and your families. And just enjoy the video, the little bit that I have left. I love you all so much. Bye-bye. Enjoy the video. Y'all, this is where I lost all of this footage, where I had done built the box and everything with the wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love how this box turned out, but I'm so sorry, y'all, that I lost all that footage. But like I say, if y'all want to check it out, see how it's built and everything, please go and check out Candy Pooh's 1100 or Candy Pooh Vlog Life. I will leave the information in the description box below. Thank y'all so much, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Love you all. Merry Christmas, and I hope that you enjoy. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. And God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Girl, I just can't get it together with this bird. I don't know. But anyway, I love the way this box came out. Like I said, y'all don't have to just use this for Christmas. Valentine's Day is coming up. It just can be a box that you sit on your table, on your tablescapes, on your fireplace, anywhere you want to put it. Y'all excuse me, my hair. I'm so sorry. But anyway, I love y'all. And y'all just excuse that, okay? All right. Love y'all. But look, let's stay to the end so you can see the final reveal on this here box, how I set it up and everything, you know, because I like to do the final reveal at the end. Okay, love y'all.